Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from TikTok. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step, easily what we're going to do, we'll go and open TikTok app over here as you can see. And so whenever we open TikTok app, we'll click on our profile down to the right bottom as you can see over here. And whenever we click on it, we're going to hit these three lines up to the right bottom and we'll choose the first option, which is Creator Tools. And now here we have the monetization. If you have completed the requirements of monetization, you'll be able to withdraw your money from here by clicking on View All, and then you'll add your payment method information, such as bank account or a PayPal account. And so whenever you do so, you'll be able to withdraw your money and put it to your account on PayPal or bank account. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and also you can leave us a comment down below in the comment section to let us know if the video is helpful. And thanks for watching.